Hello guys! Tutorial time with EnnyGeleCraft. And guess what? I'm serving you hot contents as always. Here's how I styled this stunning diamond pleats gele. Get a 2/4 material, your formula is 45 to 55. This is a V-shaped routine. Align your base pleats. This style is quite simple. Follow each procedures one by one. Enjoy and thank me later. Pick your pleats like you tie a V-shaped round. Pick 2 pleats on one side of the base and 1 pleat on the other. Make sure you build your height and align your pleats properly. Now here's the trick to pin your diamond pleats. Pick 2 pleats together and pin them. Repeat this process in a zigzag for until you're done. Amazing! Hope you love it. Comment, like and follow me for more amazing tutorial like this. Till the next time. Bye.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, nice.
Okay.
No, it's okay. The two is okay. Yeah, let's go. Wow, nice. Close your eyes. Phonograph. What's it called? Phonographer.